Hey guys, Gretchen with Healer's Insight here on fasting and stem cell growth. Why do you want to fast? Because it gets rid of the old cells. Why got rid of the old cells? Because they're past their usefulness, man. They're not doing their job anymore. I want some new healthy cells. I want to replace it with those big bad boys that will get rid of this stuff, right? Yeah, for sure. Wouldn't you want to be get rid of your cancer a little faster, get rid of your illness a little faster, maybe repair that intestine a little faster, whatever it is that you're doing this for. You want to do it a little faster, right? So let's do that by letting our body set it into homeostasis, getting rid of those old cells that are not super useful anymore. We do this with fasting. And please make sure that you stay hydrated during fasting, that you don't fast longer than 72 hours. Fasting about 24 hours is normal. If you have diabetes or are underweight because of the treatments you're undergoing right now, consult with your physician before fasting. I am not a physician. I am a certified master herbalist. This is not meant as medical advice, nor is it meant to replace medical advice. All right, so on to what your magical body can do. So when you fast and you're staying hydrated, because we don't want to have all these muscle cramps while we're doing this, when you fast, what happens is your body is denying all these cells that basically should be gone and taken out of your body. So it just denies them. They finish leaving your body. When they're gone from your body, that leaves room in your body for new cells, brand new cells to regenerate, take their place, and help you conquer your disease, conquer whatever it is that you're doing. Now, if after day 3, your body hits what's called ketosis. You've probably heard of the keto diet, and that does get you into ketosis. I will let you in on this. Once you've hit ketosis once, those ketones will stay in your body. So you don't have to do the keto diet to get that ketosis going in your body. Ketosis is good for your body, but not long term. Anyway, so after you have gotten rid of all the little dilapidated ones, and you've grown these new ones, then your body can help you conquer those diseases much faster. It used to be easier for the body to stimulate the stem cells because food was not as readily available. And a lot of times we were forced into fasting just because of poverty reasons. There are religions that do fast. Most of them do like a 1 day a month thing. Some do a full weekend. And I know others do an entire month. Don't stress out on them. They do get to eat at certain periods. They have already discovered how to get their bodies into ketosis, how to get rid of those old used up cells, how to get that stem cell growth going a little bit better and get those big badass cells to come in and help us with that disease. I do highly recommend that you fast if you're going through a disease. I highly recommend that you fast if you are over the age of 45, just to get rid of some of those old used up cells that we may not have gotten rid of. Get some of those newer cells in. You'll feel so much better. You really will. If at any time that you are fasting, you don't feel good, stop your fast. As with everything, listen to your body. You can listen to this advice, but if you're not listening to your body, it's not going to do you any good. So please listen to your body. I hope this answers some of the questions for fasting. Fasting is an amazing complementary therapy when you're going through cancer treatment and everything, so that you can get those super healthy cells in your body to help you kick that bitch's ass. All right. If you like this video and like to see more, and I do a lot of Reiki videos. I do some yoga nidra videos, some little traveling and adventuring in there, and some herbalism videos. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And until next time, namaste.